Have you ever loved someone who slowly made you disappear? Someone who smiled in front of others but broke you behind closed doors? Who made you question your memory, your worth, your very reality? You gave them your loyalty and they gave you confusion. You gave them your trust and they gave you pain. You gave them your heart and they gave you silence,
blame,
emptiness. And maybe even now, you carry that weight. You hear their voice in your head instead of your own. But not anymore. Not today. Because today, you take your power back. Not through anger, not through revenge, but through truth. And the truth is,
you survived.
You made it through what tried to destroy you. And now we begin the healing. Let every word that follows become a thread that stitches you back together. Let these affirmations replace the lies with love, the fear with freedom, the silence with strength. I am not broken. I am healing. I am enough. I trust myself again. My voice matters. I let go of what hurt me. I forgive myself for what I didn't know. I am not their opinion of me. I am not what they said I was. I deserve love without fear. I am allowed to say no. My boundaries protect my peace. I am not responsible for someone else's behavior. I let go of guilt that was never mine. I believe in my own truth. I am safe now. I walk away from what hurts me. I honor my pain, but I don't live in it. I reclaim my body, my mind, and my voice. I choose peace over chaos. I choose healing over hurting. I allow myself to feel joy again. I am proud of my survival. My past does not define my worth. I am not too sensitive. I am deeply aware. I no longer explain my value to those who can't see it. I am no longer available for abuse. I do not carry what broke me. I deserve rest. I deserve to breathe. I deserve to be held with love. I don't need to earn kindness. It is my birthright. I trust the future will be better. I deserve safety in every relationship. I am learning to love myself. I choose myself without apology. I speak my needs without fear. I am grounded in my truth. I detach from toxic energy. I protect my space with strength. I will never silence my pain again. I no longer chase people who hurt me. I am not hard to love. They were just unable to love. My sensitivity is my superpower. I will not shrink to be accepted. I walk in dignity. I give myself the love they never gave me. I trust the timing of my healing. And I choose to rise again every single day. You are not weak for breaking. You are strong for putting the pieces back together. Even if you're still shaking, you're still standing. Even if your voice trembles, it still speaks. And even if you cry through the healing, you are still healing. You are not here by accident. You are here because something inside you still believes, still hopes, still fights for light, even after so much darkness. So let me say this to you, and let it sink into your bones. You are not what happened to you. You are what you choose to become. And you, dear soul, are choosing healing. You are choosing freedom. You are choosing you. So walk forward, Not fast, not perfect, but honest. Speak kindly to yourself. Return to these words when the pain gets loud. And never, ever forget, you survived something meant to break you. And that makes you unstoppable. You are not alone. You are not invisible. You are loved. And you are free now.